Hello and welcome to Guy Direct's no-nonsense walkthrough on how to set your YouTube channel's profile icon and banner. First thing you want to do is open up your internet browser and head on over to YouTube. Once there, we are looking at the top right corner to our picture or an empty one if you haven't set one yet, right where my mouse is now. Give it a click and a menu will come down, press View Your Channel. This is what my YouTube channel looks like right now. No profile picture and no banner. To fix this, we will be clicking the Customize Channel button. On this screen, you will see the section that says Banner option at the top and the icon profile picture below it. To the right of the banner, there is an Upload button. Make sure your banner is the dimensions it mentions in the description. Once ready, click Upload. Navigate to the folder or location where your banner is saved, then double-click to add it in. This screen will pop up. Make sure your desired area is in the highlighted middle section. Once everything is lined up, press the Done button. It will take us back to the previous screen. You want to replicate what we just did for the banner, but for the picture icon now. Press Upload. Navigate to your file and line it up so it's neat and centered. Then press Done to confirm. We will again be taken back to this channel editing screen. At the top right, there is an icon that says Publish. You want to press that to save all the changes you have made. If done correctly, it will say your changes are published at the bottom. Let's head back to your channel to see the changes. And just like that, your channel now has a banner and a profile icon. And there we have it, you are done. Thank you for following along. I hope this guide has helped you. If you wouldn't mind helping me back by leaving me a subscribe, it would mean the world to me.